Hello, I am back with another unboxing, and today I got my package from my friend in a group chat because she went to go see The Rose in LA for the fan sign, so she had extra CDs in order to get into the fan sign to do a giveaway in our mini group chat that we have. And so I got one of them because I won the giveaway, and I'm gonna unbox it today. So that's that. It's pretty late. Oh my god. It's like 10, almost 10:30. But I might upload this tomorrow if I'm too tired to upload it today. But this is why it's such a late video. And I'm gonna do it this way because my address is on the other side. And so is hers, so. And I didn't go see The Rose in Miami, unfortunately, because it was a week before day 6. And I didn't think I was gonna go see day 6 at all because somebody gave me a free ticket on Twitter and then somebody offered me a ride. And it was like literally a week apart from day 6 and The Rose. So, and I was so upset. But in the end, I got to meet a lot of new people at day 6 and meet Dre, the person I've always wanted to meet like for 2 years after watching his videos. So I finally got to meet him. So, and I see that The Rose had an amazing time here because they went to go on jet skis, and then I don't know what they did, but they had a really fun time in Miami. Oh my god, it's like packed shut in here. And so this is like the thing for their fan sign. I hope more K-pop groups can do fan signs. In the US, apparently it's only been like New York and LA because of ATEEZ and The Rose so far. So here's that. There's nothing else in here. In here, I think it's like a digital CD. Apparently they only have California and Red, and then Red instrumental, so it wasn't a really like long album. It was like a really short one because they were going on tour right after this. And then Woosung had his solo, I think a month before they went on tour, and then this Red. So here's all of them. My bias is Woosung, Sammy, and then my bias writer is Hajun. How I got into The Rose, I actually saw their debut song like on like my YouTube, like for you, whatever like YouTube gives you to watch. And so I saw it and I reacted. What's their song? I'm sorry. Yeah, I think the song is called Sorry. And that's how I first got into them. And then I saw Baby, and then I've been getting into them more and more, and I just fell in love with them. And they're just such a cute group, and they're so underrated. But hopefully they can get bigger. My old bands are Day 6 and The Rose, and now I finally got into ONEUS's brother group. So that's what I'm into right now. So I got into them finally after like a month of not standing, when I knew of them and I saw them on the unit, but I just haven't got into them until like just recently. This is like a digital CD. It's like not an album, so they have a lot of like cards and things. Here's the first one. I don't know what I'm gonna be able to do with these. I don't know where my wall is getting filled up with all my posters of BTS, Monsta X, and ATEEZ. So I don't know where I'm gonna be able to put all of these. I will figure it out. If I don't put them up on the wall, then I'll just like leave them in the album thingy that we got going on here. There's that one. There's this one. This song is so like light and uplifting, and is so cute for summer, and I just loved it. It's so cute. And I did react to it, so if you want to go check out the reaction for that. I wanna be red. So cute. And it was just like the fireworks kind of like scared me, and I was like, are they okay? Oh my god, they look so cute. I was so sad, but I did see their like V Live after they came to Miami, and Sammy was wearing I Love or We Love Miami shirt, and it was so cute. It was so cute. And then here's them with like a sunset. Or no, sunrise. God, Mario, not smart. The sunrise thing. Apparently, like the back of these things like make a big poster, but I'm not sure. I would have to like figure that out and put them all together. And here's them playing with the fireworks, like I said. And then it has like the lyrics of all the songs. It's like a thank you note though, but California is right here. Apparently, California is on all English, right? It's not English. Is that the lyrics? Oh yeah, I think the whole thing makes a poster. Oh my god. I just saw Sammy. I love the orange hair. Oh my god, like I love the gray hair for solo, and then like the orange hair. I have a weak heart for idols who have like colorful hair because my hair, I don't know if you can see, but it looks like really dark purple and like on the light, but it's actually like a lighter purple. And it has like some pink in it because I mixed it. If you want to know what it actually looks like, it kind of looks like Taeyong's purple hair right now. So that's why. Oh, it actually does make a pose. I like cut myself off when I'm talking a lot, if you haven't noticed throughout my videos. So yeah, my hair's purple. It looks like Taeyong's purple. And I just love idols with colorful hair. It's just like my weakness. So every time I see an idol with colorful hair, it's like that's my baby. So here's Sammy. Sammy boy, Woosung. And then Doojun, if that's how you say it. There's them, him, and it makes a poster. I don't know if I'm gonna like make the poster and just like put them all together like a puzzle piece, or just like do them with this. If not, I'll just like keep it. I think I honestly want to just like keep them in my, I don't have a good space for my albums. I just have like a closet like shelf, but it's like really small, and I'm like stacking my albums up, and I just want to like put them up like straight, but I'm like stacking them up. Like, girl, I just need a space for my albums. And then Jaehyung. Yeah, Jaehyung. It took me a while to get to know their names for I don't know what reason. Like I knew them and I stand them, but then until like Faye started doing like videos with them, and then I was like a little more interested. So yeah, Jaehyung. Oh my god, gorgeous. They're all so beautiful and they're so funny and they're so loud, and I just want to be friends with you. Like I want to be friends with like all the idols I stand, but it's like it's never gonna happen. I cannot be friends with you. Oh my god, and Hajun, he's so cute. This gray hair on him. Idols with gray hair too. Ooh, girl. There's him, little boy. He's a little drummer boy. He's so cute. His little mole under his eye is just like such a signature like thing to his face, girl. And here is the CD, California Red, and then Red Instrumental, and it comes with some photo cards. And then oh my god, they're so thick. They're not like the normal like photo cards, or am I just tripping? But here's Jaehyung. She told me which photo card I would be getting, and then there's all of them. Yep. And I don't think I'm going to any more concerts this year, but apparently Ace is actually coming back to Miami, and I did see them last December. That was the first time I went to Miami ever. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to see them. I got to bring it to my mom and be like, hey, can I go back to Miami and go see my boys Ace? You know what I mean? And I don't know how that's going to work out, because my friend who actually took me to Day 6 that I met the day of the Day 6 concert, like I never met her before, because internet friends, but you got to watch out because of those, because not a lot of people you can trust, right? Am I right? Yeah. But hopefully I can tell my mom that I want to go see Ace again, and we're gonna get the 10% discount code and the pre-sale if you made the campaign and they're actually going to your city. So hopefully I can get that and then make a discount on my ticket. And hopefully the benefits are really good, because I did see One Us's benefits, and you get to high touch and then take a picture with them. My 5'3" self would like next to like, I don't know, June or like, I don't know, Chan, like they're pretty tall, so it's like, I don't know. And I miss them so much, and thank God they kept their promise, because not a lot of companies or K-pop groups actually come back to Miami. Not pointing fingers. JYP. I was so petty when after like GOT7 came, they said they would come back. 1 year later, didn't come back. Another year later, didn't come back. I feel like it's because of their company. And then they brought Day 6, and I was just happy because of that, and I was able to go see my ultimate band. And so with Ace, hopefully I get to go see them again. When I went to go see Ace, I actually wore the Take Me Higher shirt for June, because he's my bias. When I went to Georgia for Monsta X, we went to an H&M. We found all their Take Me Higher shirts except for Donghun. Yeah, Donghun. And I couldn't find his. So we have all the crop top long sleeve shirts except for Donghun's. So I wore June, and then I went with my sister. She wore WOW's shirt because WOW was her bias, and then June's my bias, but WOW's my bias record. So, girl, let's square up. So yeah, I'm not think I'm gonna wear that shirt again. I'm gonna wear a different outfit if I go to this concert. Please let me go to this concert, and hopefully it doesn't overlap with J Park, or yeah, like I said before, hopefully it doesn't overlap with J Park. I'm just like rambling because I have really nothing to do. And I am waiting for the ATEEZ pictures for Wooyoung and Jungho. Wooyoung is my bias. And San, oh girl. San last night wrecked me so hard because it's my bias wrecker. I can't wait for them. So like I found like a screen recording app to screen record my like sound of me like reacting to them when like their Twitter updates later tonight. Literally just like killing time and just like talking. I wish I could do more of this, but you know, just subscribe to my video or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out more videos, more reactions, and more unboxings and more concert experience videos coming soon. And I can't wait for 2020. Like I'm already thinking about 2020. You know, like I can't wait for the concerts, and I can't wait for like the experiences with K-pop, and for me to grow and K-pop to grow and me to spend more money and go broke. Just kidding. I don't know. I'll see you guys in the next video, and that's that. And I thank you to my Twitter friend for giving me this and for the giveaway. Thank you. And I entered a lot of ATEEZ giveaways too, because I'm trying to get that album, girl, because I can't afford it. Oh, fun fact, my birthday is actually October 8th, and it's coming out, or birthday is on the day of the comeback of ATEEZ's comeback. So that's a cute little thing, because they debuted on my birth month, and their comeback is on October 8th. So there's that. I'm so happy that they came out on my birthday. I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna be 20, and then it's like ATEEZ's comeback. It's on a Tuesday, so I'm gonna be staying up for that. I'm gonna actually wake up pretty early for that, and I'm gonna react to that and cry over ATEEZ internally and mentally and physically. Okay, this video has been going on way too long. I need to end it. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.